and Jackson has issued a tornado warning for southern Concordia Parish in northeastern Louisiana, southern Adams County in southwestern Mississippi, until 8:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 7:34 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Black Hawk, or 14 miles east of Bordelonville, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Slocum around 7:40 p.m. Central Standard Time. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.